Here is the Titan 4500, and I reduced it down, made some new brackets to hold my cab up. So now we're going to start working on the cab. So now I can rotate my cab forward because I got a lot of work here on the firewall to do. Okay. But yeah, it'll take a full-size car and it'll also hold the cab too. So anyway, Titan 4500. I've loved this thing ever since I've had it. So it's extremely sturdy, very easy to manipulate stuff around, build some brackets. There it goes. Let me tilt it. I'm alone, so let me tilt it for you. So here's the full forward tilt. Okay. And I'm doing this because we're going to have to work on the back. And that's just a nice, comfortable area. And just walk right up and get her done. Okay. That's where I cut my my gas inlet is going through here and then coming out here. You can see that on my other videos. But this allowed me to use my tank in the original spot. So Dakota tank in the original spot and the 55 Dodge in its original spot. So anyway, let's zoom out a bit. All right. So there's full forward, and then this is a full back tilt. I'm doing this all by myself. It's well balanced. The weight is low. Okay, so now I'll be able to basically just stand right here and tear that firewall out and get you a new one in there. But yeah, I can comfortably just work in here. This is my plan. Was my plan. And there's the other side, full tilt. Okay, and there it is, the Titan 4500.